guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel again, Jerica and Aliana's Vlog. So for today, we are gonna taste the mochi. So, kasama po natin mag-taste ng mochi yung sister ko at Erica Gale.
Hi guys! Subscribe my channel.
Subscribe Erica's Gale channel. Erica Gale's Pasqua. So, let's open it now. Yeah. So hard. Okay, try it here, guys. There. Look at all the flavors. So here's all the flavors. Here's all the flavors. So it's so many.
One flavor lang.
So what kind of flavor do you like? Let's try color pink. Uy, bigyan mo siya. So, you want this one, pink? So guys, we're gonna try maybe this is strawberry. Yeah, strawberry. So let's open it. Oh, it's so fluffy. Oh, I give you. Kagat. Aliana's first try. Try mo. Ayaw mo?
Give mo daw siya.
You want? Oh.
Sarap. Nami. Ate. Api tate. Say thank you to tete. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Next flavor is matcha.
Umay. Huh? So guys, I'm just gonna get water.
Yun yung water na yan. So, next po namin titikman is matcha.
I don't think it's matcha. Ayoko yung laman. Gusto ko yung laman.
Okay.
Gusto ko ito lang. Ito sa akin. Sabi ko yung ano lang. Labas.
Same lang naman siya ng loob eh.
Ayoko na ng loob. Gusto ko yung labas.
Harap. Same lang siya ng lasa. Mag-iba lang siya ng color.
Oh my God. Guys, tinapon ng sister ko tubig ko.
Brush mo yun dyan.
Yan na.
Basa.
So, we're gonna try
What flavor?
Lemon.
Lemon?
saan dito?
Lemon.
Saan dito?
Ay, may apple lemon. Lemon.
Okay, it's lemon. So, I'm gonna open it, guys.
Kagatin mo na lang yung balat. Ako na yung kakain lang.
Lemon! Open mo nga, pot. Lemon!
Labas na kayo niya.
Okay.
Sige.
I'm gonna taste it.
Jerica first daw muna mag-taste.
Lemon! Yummy.
Labas kayo pa labas.
Lemon!
Sige.
Lemon!
Jerica ka nang kapag.
Ayaw na.
Lemon!
That's not real.
So yummy.
Lemon!
Bag mo na natin yun.
Yummy.
Algae. Next is buchi.
Lemon.
Buchi. Next is buchi.
Yeah. Lemon. Lemon.
Kailangan nasa fridge to eh. Para matapid.
Ano gusto mo?
Meron pa dito.
Lemon! Lemon!
Yan, na-stop. Lagot ka. Uwi na sa amin.
Can you open it? Ready, set, go, catch.
Ready, set, go.
And this is, what flavor is this?
Ew, lemon. Lemon.
Okay, so,
Jerry
game.
ka mapang-asal.
Ate Lo.
Yeah,
Ate Lo.
It's same lang. Jerry ka.
thank you.
Ito yung kinain natin nakaraan eh. Yung sa may ano.
Ano, pink. Your first level, pink. Game. Pink. Pink.
It's yummy, guys.
Shabby, guys.
So,
Last one is,
Yeah.
last one is,
what's flavor of that?
You,
Ano
lemon.
yata yan, oh.
Lemon.
Oh.
Oh.
so, you open it again. Ready, set, go.
Naawa ka na yan ah.
Okay.
Catch. Catch.
Catch.
Cut.
Catch.
It's getting yummy. Wait lang, ano?
Alat ka na.
Ate. Yummy, yummy.
Pink o pink?
You, lemon.
No, it's not.
You.
Guys, it looks like a booger.
Yeah.
Wait, guys, I'm just gonna wash my hands. Pag may pass.
So yummy. This one, I don't like it because
You, lemon.
no, it's cute.
You, lemon.
I don't like this because, ayan, oh, may parang ano siya. You know.
Panduan.
So, ito na po yung mga natira namin. Ayan.